In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate n8n with ClickUp. We'll be connecting your ClickUp account to n8n so you can start building automations between the two platforms. The process is straightforward, and the main part of the setup is generating your ClickUp API key and then adding it inside n8n as a credential. Start by opening ClickUp and looking to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where ClickUp keeps account level options, including access to its API tools. Once you're inside Settings, look for the ClickUp API section and click into it. This area is specifically where you can create the API connection details needed for external tools like n8n. When the page opens, click Generate, and then copy the API key that ClickUp provides. This key is sensitive, so treat it like a password. Only paste it into trusted tools and avoid sharing it in messages, documents, or screenshots. After copying it, leave ClickUp and go to n8n. Inside n8n, click Create Workflow to start a new automation. This opens a blank workflow canvas where you can begin building your integration. Next, click Add First Step. This is how you add the first node to the workflow. Now search for ClickUp and add ClickUp as the trigger. Choosing ClickUp as the trigger means your workflow will begin when a specified event happens in ClickUp, depending on the options available in the node and the prompts n8n gives you during setup. After adding the ClickUp trigger, you'll need to set up the credentials. When prompted, paste in the API key you copied from ClickUp. This is the connection that allows n8n to securely access your ClickUp account and interact with the appropriate data. Once the API key is entered, continue by following the on-screen prompts in n8n. These prompts usually guide you through selecting the account connection, confirming access, and choosing the specific trigger details you want to use. Take your time here and read each field carefully so the workflow is configured correctly. If something doesn't connect right away, double check that the API key was copied fully and pasted without extra spaces. Small formatting issues can sometimes prevent the connection from working. And that's it. You've now gone through the core setup for integrating n8n with ClickUp, from generating your API key in ClickUp to adding the ClickUp trigger and credentials inside n8n. Once the connection is in place, you'll be ready to continue building your automation workflow.